If you're looking for an affordable acoustic guitar that sounds great and won't break the bank, you're in the right place. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. D'Addario Acoustic Guitar Strings EJ11. The D'Addario Acoustic Guitar Strings 8020 Bronze EJ11 priced at just $499. Honestly, what caught my attention was the bold and bright sound these strings deliver. If you want a reliable set of strings with a rich tonal quality, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These strings are precision wound, which means they give you that crisp projection that can fill a room. They're made from 8020 bronze, a classic choice that has been around since the 1930s, which is a testament to their quality. Plus, with over 7,000 units sold just last month, it's clear that a lot of players trust them. Now, some people complained about how quickly they wear out. Here's the thing though, most guitarists understand that strings need regular changing, especially if you play often. So if you're just jamming casually, you might find that the frequency of changing isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking to upgrade your guitar's sound without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you prefer electric guitars though. It's strictly for acoustic use. At this price, you really can't go wrong. Now, if the cost of strings bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a great stand for your guitar. Product number 2. Amazon Basics Adjustable Guitar Stand. The Amazon Basics Height Adjustable Portable Foldable Guitar Stand priced at $13.35. What I love about this stand is its portability and how secure it keeps your guitar. If you're tired of worrying about where to place your guitar, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The durable iron frame and potted support ensure your guitar won't get scratched or topple over easily. It has an adjustable height mechanism, making it versatile for different types of instruments, whether it's an acoustic or electric guitar. The tripod base is sturdy, which is crucial if you have curious pets or kids around. With thousands sold, this stand is clearly popular among musicians. Now, some users mentioned that the stand feels a bit flimsy when fully extended. Here's the thing, as long as you're aware that it's best suited for indoor use, it should hold up just fine. If you're looking for something to travel with, this might not be the best option. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable stand that's easy to transport. Skip this one if you need something that can withstand a lot of bumps and bruises on the road. At this price, it's a solid value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for your playing comfort with its innovative design. Product number 3. Wingo Guitar Capo. Available for $8.98. This little gadget caught my eye because of its quick release mechanism, which is super handy. If you want to change keys without missing a beat, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The capo is designed to fit various instruments, including acoustic and electric guitars, banjos, and even ukuleles. It clamps securely to your strings without buzzing, which is crucial for keeping that clear tone you want. Made from high-grade aluminum, it's lightweight but sturdy. And you also get 5 picks included, which is a nice bonus. With over 6,000 sold, it's clear that many musicians appreciate its functionality. Now, some users noted that the pressure it applies can vary, leading to slight tuning issues. Here's the thing, if you're using it for casual playing, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just make sure to tune your guitar after placing the capo. This is perfect for you if you're an aspiring musician looking to experiment with different chords and keys. Skip this one if you prefer a heavier, more traditional capo. For under $10, it's a great addition to your gear. Now, if you're still on the hunt for strings, the next product might just be what you need. Product number 4. D'Addario Acoustic Guitar Strings EJ11 3D. We have another set of D'Addario acoustic guitar strings, this time the EJ11 3D pack, priced at $14.97. What I appreciate about this pack is that it gives you 3 sets of strings, which is a real steal. If you want longevity in your music, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Just like the previous D'Addario strings, these are precision wound with a hexagonal high-carbon steel core. This means you'll get that bold and bright sound, perfect for projecting in any setting. The 80-20 bronze material is still the standard for acoustic guitar strings, giving you that classic sound every guitarist craves. Having sold 4,000 units last month shows that many musicians trust these strings to keep their sound vibrant. Now, some people have mentioned that they found the strings a bit too bright for their taste. Here's the thing, every musician has their preference, and brightness can be a great asset for fingerstyle playing or strumming. This is perfect for you if you want extra sets on hand so you're never caught without a replacement. Skip this one if you prefer darker tones in your music. For the quality you get, it's a fantastic value. Now, if you're looking for something even better in terms of tonal quality, the final product on our list will blow you away. Product number 5 is the D'Addario Phosphor Bronze Strings EJ16 3D, priced at $24.99. This one stood out because of its warm, balanced tone, which many musicians love. If you want the best tonal spectrum for your music, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These strings are known for their corrosion resistance and precision winding. They deliver a rich, full sound that suits all musical genres, making them incredibly versatile. With over 3,000 units sold recently, these are often considered the standard in acoustic guitar strings. Now, some users reported that they wear out faster than expected. Here's the thing, if you're playing regularly, that's just part of the deal with high-quality strings. You'll be rewarded with superior sound while you play. This is perfect for you if you want strings that will enhance your overall sound quality. Skip this one if you're a casual player who doesn't want to change strings often. For the quality you're getting, they're worth the investment. So to recap, we've looked at 5 fantastic options for acoustic guitars under $200. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the D'Addario Phosphor Bronze Strings EJ16-3D because they provide the best balance of sound quality and longevity. I'd avoid the Wingo Guitar Capo if you need something super reliable without tuning issues. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.